In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam games not launching. Now, there's going to be a few fixes that I'm going to go through with you today, so make sure to watch this full video and try all the fixes so you can start to play your Steam games again. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, open up Steam, come to your games library and find the game that's not currently launching. And once you've done that, you want to click to select it, right click, and on this menu that comes up, you want to come and click onto properties. Now, once you've got your properties window opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto installed files. From here, the first thing you're going to want to try is clicking this button here to verify the integrity of game files. What that's going to do is run through, it does take a minute or two, but it's going to run through and see if there's any damaged or corrupted game files. And if Steam does pick anything up, it's going to attempt to repair those files. So after doing that, what you can do is try to launch the game and see if you're able to launch it successfully. Now, if that didn't work for you, the next thing you can try is if you come up to the top left hand corner of Steam, click onto the Steam icon just up here. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and click onto settings. Once the settings window is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto downloads, and once you're in the download section, scroll down a bit until you see the option to clear download cache. Now you can see it says here that clearing the download cache may potentially resolve issues downloading or starting apps. So what you can do is click the clear cache button here, and once you've done that, I would recommend restarting Steam and see if that fixes the problem and if you can now play games again. If you're still having problems, what you can do next is try to restart your computer or laptop. Sometimes this can fix the problem, so just simply come down, click onto the Windows icon and then power and restart your computer or laptop. Once you've done that, relaunch Steam, see if you can now play games. And if you're still having problems, the final thing I would recommend is just simply uninstalling and reinstalling the game that you're having problems with. So to do that, right click onto the game again from your games library, come and hover over manage, and you're going to see the option to uninstall. So once you click that, you're going to get a window like this where you can click uninstall and run through the steps to uninstall the game. Of course, once you've done that, reinstall the game, and hopefully that should fix any problems with the game itself, and it should now be running successfully. If you're still experiencing problems, I would recommend reaching out to Steam support, who may be able to offer you further solutions. But that is a quick overview and a few things you can try to hopefully get your Steam games running again, and that's how to fix if your Steam games are not launching. So make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.